Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to our channel Shreem Beauty and Salon. Today I wanna show you the hard wax in the underarm. First, prep the skin, apply the powder very gently. Then look the hair and apply the hard wax in hair direction. Apply very well. And then after tap, dry very well. And then opposite direction, pull out the hard wax and press the skin. All the hair comes in the hard wax, and then after again see the next whatever the hair direction, apply the hard wax and same thing, dry very well, and then take out the opposite direction, pull out the hard wax, and whatever the leftover you see here, and then same here, apply the wax and pull out the opposite direction. You see all the hair came out, and then after apply the wax lotion. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comments. Thank you so much. See you next video.